Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss the term reception theory. Introduction. Reception theory, introduced by Hans Robert Joss in his essay Literary History as a Challenge to Literary Theory, is a form of reader response theory that focuses on the evolving responses of the general reading public to a text over the course of time. Unlike traditional reader response criticism, which examines the immediate reactions of individual readers, reception theory seeks to understand how the meanings and aesthetic qualities of a literary work are shaped and transformed by the changing horizons of successive generations of readers. Traditional literary criticism. In reception theory, Joss argues that a literary text does not possess an objective meaning in itself. Instead, it contains various objectively describable features. The meaning and aesthetic qualities of the text emerge from the interaction between the reader's horizon of expectations and how those expectations are challenged, confirmed, disappointed, refuted, or reformulated by the features of the text itself. Since linguistic and aesthetic expectations of the reading public change over time, there emerges an evolving historical tradition of critical interpretations and evaluations of a particular literary text. Fundamental ideas in reader response criticism. The concept of tradition in reception theory is influenced by Hans Georg Gadamer's ideas on interpretation and hermeneutics. Joss views the tradition as a continuous dialectic or dialogue between the text and the horizons of successive readers. The literary text has no fixed or final meanings or value on its own. It gains significance through the ongoing dialogue with the changing horizons of readers. Various forms of reader response criticism. Reception theory operates on two key aspects: reception aesthetic and reception history. In its reception aesthetic aspect, the theory defines the meaning and aesthetic qualities of a text as a set of implicit semantic and aesthetic potentialities that become evident only through the cumulative responses of readers over time. In its reception history aspect, the theory transforms the traditional concept of literary history, which presents a series of fixed meanings and values for different works, into a history that requires ever necessary retelling. This is because it narrates the changing yet cumulative manner in which selected texts are interpreted and assessed as the horizons of successive generations of readers evolve. Joss's works such as Towards an Aesthetic of Reception and The Aesthetic Experience and Literary Hermeneutics delve deeper into the concept of reception theory and its implications for literary interpretation. Additionally, Robert C. Holub's book, Reception Theory, A Critical Introduction, provides a comprehensive history and discussion of this viewpoint. Conclusion. In conclusion, reception theory, proposed by Hans Robert Joss, explores the dynamic relationship between a literary text and its readers over time. It emphasizes the changing responses and interpretations of a work as it interacts with evolving linguistic and aesthetic expectations. This perspective challenges the notion of fixed meanings and values for literary works, instead presenting literature as a product of ongoing dialogues and transformations across generations of readers. So this was the discussion on the term reception theory. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us.